So hello everyone, this is Naman Gaike in front of you. Today I have come to the place which is so famous in Gwalior, and this place resides in the heart of every citizen of Gwalior. This place is bring a pride and enhance the beauty of the Gwalior city. So my dear friends, I am talking about Gwalior Trade Fair. You can see in the back of me, this is the main entrance of Gwalior Trade Fair. In this video, I will share the all things about the Gwalior Trade Fair in an interesting and in a unique way. If you want to explore this fair, so watch this video till last. My dear friend, let's discuss about the history of this Gwalior Trade Fair. So, it was started by Maharaj Madhavrao Scindia in 1905. It mostly spread almost about 104 acres. This fair is held at Mela ground, which is also known as the Pragati Maidan, which is situated at Race Course Road. This fair is started as a cattle fair, and like time to time this fair converted into a big Gwalior Trade Fair. It is one of the most famous fair not only in Gwalior but all over the Madhya Pradesh. My dear friends, in Gwalior Trade Fair there are so many sectors like a garment sector, electronic sector, the food sector, the automobile sector and a ride sector. So according to your demand, you can visit a separate sector. So today I have come to this is a garment sector. You can see in back of me, this is whole the garment sector in which there is a Kashmiri bazaar present here, in which all types of clothes are present here related to winter. If you are interested to buy the cloth from a Kashmiri bazaar, so you can also come in a Gwalior Trade Fair. Thank you. So my dear friends, I have come now Jhula sector in Gwalior Fair. You can see like there are so many rides are present here in back of me. So every year the Gwalior Fair come with something new. So in 2025, Gwalior Fair bring two things which is new. First is Singapore Carnival, which is come in Gwalior Fair first time, and second thing is that Mermaid, which is come in India first time. You can take the experience of both of it in Gwalior Fair if you come to Gwalior Fair. And if you want to ride adventurous rides, you are fond of adventurous rides, so just come to Gwalior Fair and enjoy all these rides. So my dear friend, this is the night view of Gwalior Trade Fair, and this is the ride sector in which colorful lights are present here on different types of rides, and you can see how beautiful it looks in a night time. There are in Gwalior Trade Fair, there are so many types of rides are present here for the all type of age group, for the childrens, for the adults and for the old age group person. In 2025, there are several new rides come. First is Tsunami Jhula, which come in Gwalior Trade Fair first time, and it is so dangerous. And second one is Singapore Carnival, which come in Gwalior Fair first time. And if I talk about the price of Singapore Carnival, so it's around 30 rupees. And third thing which come first time in India, which is Mermaid. And Mermaid come in Gwalior Trade Fair first time, and its price is around 50 rupees. And you can enjoy this in Gwalior Trade Fair. So my dear friend, now I have come to the automobile sector, which is one of my favorite sector in Gwalior Trade Fair. So from the last few years, the Gwalior Trade Fair is the center of buying the new vehicle, because from the last few years Gwalior Trade providing a 50% off on RTO. You can see there are so many showroom shops are present here, from Range Rover to Maruti, from Mercedes to BMW. You can see that there are so many showrooms are present here. If you want if you want to buy any automobile vehicle, so you should buy from Gwalior to get a 50% off on RTO. Thank you. Now, my dear friends, this is the Silk Bazaar in back of me. You can see this is Silk Bazaar. In this Silk Bazaar, like there are so many type of artists and like these types of work present here, which is come from the different place of India. You can see like different types of dress, different types of handicraft material. It can be a pot, or it can be like a chairs, or it can be a furniture. If you are like a enthusiast for like a Silk Bazaar type of thing, so you should visit a Silk Bazaar in Gwalior. Guys, if I talk about the revenue of the last year from the Gwalior trade fairs, so it is almost 1,570 crore rupees only from the automobile sector. It is generated the last year. If I talk about from the from the remaining sector, so it's around 250 CR. So you can see that in the point of view of the revenue, the Gwalior trade fair play a very important role from a small scale or large scale shopkeepers. The shopkeepers come from not only from Gwalior, they come from a different place of India. If I talk about like how you can reach to Gwalior trade fair, so Gwalior trade fair is almost 2.5 kilometer from a railway station. You can come by your personal vehicle or by a public transport. You can easily reach the Gwalior trade fair by the public transport. If I talk about the timing, like which timing is suitable to visit a Gwalior trade fair, I will suggest you not to visit Gwalior trade fair on a weekend, because on the weekend there is too much crowd present here. And if you want to see the amazing lighting of the Gwalior trade fair, so I will suggest you to come in Gwalior trade fair in a night, so you will see a great great lightning here. So thank you so much. So my dear friends, in the last I just want to say you, like in this video I shared all about the things about the Gwalior fair, like which thing is important in this fair. So if you are come to Gwalior fair, so definitely visit this fair once, because you find everything in this fair from a small thing to a large thing. So thank you so much for watching my video till last.